brand OnePlus model, name Nord CE3, Lite 5G network service provider unlocked for all carriers operating system, Oxygen OS cellular technology, 5G, 4G LTE. About this item: camera, 108MP main camera with EIS, 2MP depth assist lens and 2MP macro lens, front selfie camera, 16MP rear camera mode, high-res 108MP mode, 3x lossless zoom, photo, video, nightscape, expert, panoramic, portrait, macro, time-lapse, slow motion, long exposure, dual view video, text scanner, 1080p/720p at 30 fps, video zoom, 1080p at 30 fps, 720p at 30 fps, slow motion, 720p at 120 fps, time-lapse, 1080p at 30 fps, steady video EIS support display, 6.72 inches, 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, FHD+, 1080x2 400, colors, 16.7 million colors, 391 ppi, aspect ratio, 20:9, brightness, 550 nits, typical, 680 nits, HBM, operating system, Oxygen OS based on Android 13.1 processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon, 695 5G battery, and charging, 5000 mAh with 67W SuperVOOC Endurance Edition.